footnote of aphorism number 17. So these are all the indications of this psychotic miasm. The person who wants to do the suicide, he may predict the time, he may predict the hour, or he may predict the day. He may have the certain dreams. He don't want to leave. So these are all.
मॅम
What
मॅम
happens?
तुमचा आवाज बारीक येतोय.
आता येतोय आवाज?
येतोय मॅम, येतोय.
Okay. And hence, in such cases, all morbid signs indicative of approaching death have frequently been dissipated by identical cause. So, some cause is there. Because of that, that patient is transforming from SORA to psychotic miasm, and that miasm is continuously present in his body, and he is manifesting the symptoms of suicide. So the cause is there by some cunning dissipation. Cunning dissipation means, what do you mean by dissipation? Cunning deception means, cunning means what? Deception means what?
Ma'am, cunning means clever.
Harmful,
Yes, and
Clever.
deception means
irade,
nahi, which is a false thing. Cunning means which is the harmful, which is the false, which is not true. That is the deception. So the cause may be he is harmful. He is not behaving properly in the society. His tendency is very. He is very. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Soft heart नहीं है. That is a cunning deception. Or the perception to a belief in the contrary. तो उसकी थिंकिंग ही वैसी है कि he always taking the negative sides of all the things, because we are our personalities develop with the help of the factors those are surrounding us. जैसे हम लोग रहते हैं, जो एटमॉस्फेयर में हम लोग रहते हैं, that will make your personality. So the person which is living in the slum area, the personality will develop like that. The person who is living in the lower middle class area, the personality will be. So so many factors are there which make our personality. हमारी थिंकिंग भी वैसी होती है. इफ योर फ्रेंड्स आर वेरी स्टूडियस, इफ दे आर वेरी इंटेलिजेंट, इफ दे आर हार्ड वर्किंग, सो अपने आप आपको भी वो आदत लग जाएगी पढ़ाई करने की. If you are if your friends are all continuously watching the movies, they are always wants to play, तो आपको भी वैसी ही आदत लगेगी. So it is totally depends upon you. Your parents are saying कि now you have to study, you have to be a good physician. But what happened in this age, we are not listening to the parents. We are more affectionate, we are more susceptible to our friends, right? Parents से ज़्यादा we are giving more important to the friends. We are sharing our small things to the friends, not with the parents, because of the age, or because we are things that we thought that कि they will not understand us. वो अपने जनरेशन के नहीं है ना? उनका जनरेशन अलग था, उनका जमाना अलग था, हमारा जमाना अलग है. We are using the different types of words. They are not using. Correct or not?
yes, ma'am.
Only one, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We are sharing with our parents, but
Yes,
not sharing
ma'am.
100%, right? कुछ तो भी
Yes,
हम
ma'am.
लोग अपने मन में रख के we are sharing with our parents, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
So this is this is happening not with you, but in every generation. In my generation also this was happening, in your generation also this is happening. So our personality is formed according to the things which are around us. जैसे हम लोग हमको खुद को ही बनाना है अभी, because we are now in a adulthood में हम लोग चले गए. We are all plus 18, correct? टीन एज से अभी हम लोग अडल्टहुड
Yes, ma'am.
सो नाउ यू हैव
हाँ।
टू थिंक कि आपकी पर्सनालिटी आपको कैसे बनानी है, हाउ योर मेंटल्स शुड बी. सो दिस इज द थिंग दैट ही हैज गिवन द एक्सप्लेनेशन कि कनिंग डिसेप्शन अगर है या परसेप्शन अगर आप हमेशा गलत ही लेते हो, टीन एज में ये ज्यादा होता है कि इफ द पेरेंट्स आर सेइंग डोंट डू दिस, द चाइल्ड विल से दैट कि माय पेरेंट इज ऑलवेज नेगेटिव विथ मी. वो हमेशा मुझे बोलते हैं कि ये मत करो वो मत करो, और आप खुद की मन की चलाते हैं. सो ये आपके साथ भी कभी ना कभी तो हुआ ही होगा, मेरे साथ भी हुआ है. सो दिस इज हैपनिंग. सो परसेप्शन अगर ये हमेशा निगेटिव ही होता गया आफ्टर द अडल्टहुड आल्सो, देन दिस अगेन अ psychotic miasm. And the health suddenly restored, which could not have happened without the removal by means of a mortal remedy of the internal and external morbid change that threaten death. So ये condition में that person is having the superstitious fancy, that patient wants to die, that patient is having the certain reasons that he don't want to uh, sustain his life because of the any reason. The person is wants to die, he wants to do the suicide, that person is always having a cunning deception, he always perceive all the things negative. नाण्याची एकच बाजू बघणे आपण म्हणतो ना, दुसरी बाजू आपण बघतच नाही. We are only taking जो हमको पसंद है, that only we are taking because it is from our side. If some problem to you, if I ask you to write down the notes, if you have not done it in the tomorrow morning, अगर आप मैं आने से पहले अगर आपको क्लिक होता है कि अरे बाप रे मैम ने नोट्स लिखने के लिए बोला था और तो मैंने लिखा नहीं. इफ यू आर आस्किंग टू 10 पीपल, उसमें से अगर 8 लोग बोलते हैं कि हाँ हमने तो लिखा है, लेकिन 2 लोग अगर बोलते हैं कि नहीं हमने नहीं लिखा, तो यू विल फील अरे ये 2 तो अच्छे अपने जैसे ही है. सो वी आर मोर टूवर्ड्स जो अपने को पसंद है उससे ही हम लोग फ्रेंडशिप करते हैं. बहुत सारे बच्चे 300 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर इन आवर कॉलेज, लेकिन हमारी फ्रेंडशिप हर एक स्टूडेंट से नहीं होती है. दोज मैच विथ आवर फ्रीक्वेंसी, राइट, वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड कि मेरी फ्रीक्वेंसी उससे मैच होती है. सो दोज आर आवर लेवल, जिसकी थिंकिंग अपने से मैच होती है, जो अपने को कंफर्टनेस देता है, वो अपना फ्रेंड है, बिकॉज ही इज वी आर फीलिंग ईज विथ हिम और हर. सो वैसे ही पर्सनालिटी बनती जाती है. सो इफ दैट पर्सन इज हैविंग द कनिंग डिसेप्शन, गलती से अगर गलत उसको आदत लग जाती है या उसको फ्रेंड्स गलत मिलते हैं, सो दैट विल लीड्स टू द साइकोटिक माइज्म. सो सोरा विल ट्रांसफर इनटू द साइकोटिक, क्योंकि व्हेन वी आर कोई यूटेरस से तो साइकोटिक माइज्म बन के नहीं आता है. वी आर ऑल इन द सोरा, but because of the environment, because of our surrounding, that person will transfer from sora to psychotic. So agar wo psychotic miasm ko instead of moving ahead towards the syphilitic stage, we have to usko खींचना है पीछे towards the sora, and we can do it by our counseling and by our homeopathic medicines, by proper case taking. Most of the times we can give here one medicine which will be helpful for you to give a proper cure to that patient. So here your first question ki which is that medicine which is very famous in the homeopathy, which will be give cure to that patient who is in this wrong perception or in the cunning deception, the patient who wants to die because of the certain cause. So generally we start our practice with that medicine. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So you
ma'am.
have to give me the name of that medicine.
मैम
हाँ,
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही थी, डबल होके आ रहा है.
check your network connection. सबको ऐसे ही आ रही है डबल डबल?
No, ma'am.
ब्रेक हो रहे थोड़े.
Check your network connection because my connection is okay now. Okay, so this is your first question. You have to give me the name of that medicine that you have to give for the treatment of that psychotic person. So when you want to restore that person from psychotic again to the soric, you have to give our homeopathic medicine, which will help him to move away from all these dreams, from all this attempt, and this morbid change will transfer into the health. जो उसको threatened death के जो उसको symptoms थे, now it will be transferred into the health. So this is happening only by the totality of the symptoms. When you make the totality of the all the mental symptoms which are uncommon, and the patient saying that कि he आपको clue लगता है the patient is wants to die, वो आपको ड्रीम्स देगा, वो आपका उसका बिहेवियर निगेटिव देगा, वो आपको डेथ के बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा बोलने लगेगा. सो यू हैव टू टेक द proper precaution there, you have to do the consolation there, and with that you have to give the our homeopathic medicine, so that that person will transfer from psychotic miasm to the soric miasm. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the
Yes.
second footnote here, साइकोटिक माइजम का थोड़ा सा मैनिफेस्टेशन समझा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The second footnote, it is only thus that God, the preserver of mankind, could reveal his wisdom and goodness in reference to the cure of disease to which man is liable here below, by showing to the physician what he had to remove in disease in order to annihilate them and thus re-establish health. So we must be thankful to the God, we must be thankful to the nature, which help us by producing the signs and symptoms, such signs and symptoms, who wants to die, who do not want to live his life because of the certain condition. अगर उसको ये symptoms नहीं आते तो बहुत सारे suicide may be the common in the society. अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो everyone will want to do the suicide, because everyone nowadays are having the problem. The problem may be the financial, the problem may be related to the job, the problem may be related to the education. So many problems are now present during this COVID condition. And if the preserver of health or the preserver of mankind, if it is not showing the signs and symptoms, या फिर अगर अपने को ऐसे hints नहीं मिलेंगे, then suicidal tendency or the psychotic tendency will be a common in the society. So what is our duty? We have to remove these disease, we have to reestablish the health. आपको उसको वहाँ पे अच्छे से समझाना है, उसको counsel करना है, and we have to annihilate that tendency. Otherwise ये contagious disease जैसे फैलते जाएगा. Because I have seen it in my society. The two suicides are happening, one in the morning, one at the night. So it became a contagious. So that is very bad things that are happening around us. If someone has done this suicide, so negativity is spread among all the things, and we are very frustrated if someone has done the suicide in front of you. It's very frustrated moment, and the thoughts are present in your mind a lot of for the months together. So it is very negative things are happening in the society, and hence we should be thankful to the God कि he is manifesting the symptoms. But only thing is that we have to capture it, we have to identify that. But what would we think of his wisdom and the goodness if he has shrouded the mysterious obscurity that which has to be cured in the disease? अगर वो mysterious obscurity में उसने अगर वो disease के symptoms अगर छुपा दिए होते, if it is present in the hidden interior, then it is rendered it impossible. It makes us impossible to find out the malady accurately, and consequently it is impossible for cure. So we should be thankful कि ऐसे cunning deceptions और negative thought वाले person society में है, लेकिन they are manifesting by their behavior, by their explanation, by their cruelness, they are manifesting. and we should be thankful for the God कि they are manifesting their symptoms which is helpful to annihilate their disease, which they are not present in the hidden interior, या फिर वो they are not mysterious. We are getting the symptoms, we are not we are now knowing the malady, and hence now we are cure that patient. So many patients are there कि उनको सुसाइडल अटेम्प्ट से सोरामाइजम में फिर से ट्रांसफर कर दिया है, एंड नाउ दे आर लिविंग देयर लाइफ हैप्पीली. So we should be thankful to the God because they are showing the such signs and symptoms, and we again thankful to Dr. Hahnemann. He has given a right path how to take out the symptoms, and this totality will help us to choose the remedy in such cases. And he has also given a light on this miasm, sora, syphilis, and psychosis, how to transfer that psychotic miasm into the sura, not transforming, or we should not transfer that psychotic miasm or psychotic tendency to the syphilitic one, which is very dangerous in the society. Clear? Understood?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the 18th aphorism. Can anybody read for me 18th aphorism?
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
Ma'am, can I?
Mention your name and read.
Aisha. From this indubitable truth that besides the totality of the symptoms with consideration of the accompanying modalities, that is aphorism 5, nothing can be any means by discovered in diseases wherewith they could express their need of aid. It follows undeniably that the sum of all the symptoms and conditions in each individual case of disease must be the sole indication, the sole guide to direct us in the choice of a remedy.
Yes, so this is a gist of all the aphorisms that we have seen, the totality of the symptoms. So from the aphorism number 16, 17, 15, we have seen the importance of totality. So here there is a gist. They have given the importance of totality. Because of the totality, we can find the derangement of vital force. With the help of totality, we can get the uncommon peculiar symptoms. With the help of that, we can find out the similimum medicine. With the help of totality, we can find out the miasm of that particular case. With the help of totality, we can find out the psychotic miasm, जो example Dr. Hahnemann ने दिया है, that only be possible only with the help of totality of the symptom. This totality of the symptom will helpful to find out the cause of that particular disease condition, which is not present hidden interior. बहुत ज़्यादा mysterious में नहीं है वो. By taking the proper case, we can get it in the totality. We can choose the remedy with the help of totality, and we can find whether cure is happening or not, whether the medicine is acting or not, again with the help of this totality. So this is the indubitable truth. That means indubitable means इसको कोई भी इनकार नहीं कर सकता है, कोई भी इसको डिनाई नहीं करेगा कि totality of symptoms with the consideration accompanying modalities. If you are taking the proper modalities along with your complete symptom, nothing can any by means of discovered in disease. So फिर वो डिसीज में, वो पेशेंट में कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं रहेगा कि जो आपको पता नहीं है. इफ यू आर टेकिंग द प्रॉपर सेंसेशन, पेन, मेंटल सिम्टम्स विथ ऑल द मोडालिटीज एंड concomitant, nothing will be remain, all will be in your hand, which is helpful to you to find out the remedy, wherewith they could express their need of aid. It follows undeniably that sum of all the symptoms and condition in each individual case of disease. So the sum of all the symptoms, the sum of all the conditions that individual is now facing, it will give the sum. So that totality will be the sole indication, the sole guide for the choice of the remedy. So in this way, he has given here the conclusion for that totality of the symptom. So these are the certain functions or the utility of the totality of the symptom, which is given in the aphorism number 18. Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shall I take the 19 aphorism or you want to leave?
Ma'am, there is
Ma'am, lecture है 12 को.
मॅम स्नेहल
Patil
मॅमचं
ma'am का.
लेक्चर आहे.
आता किती वाजलेत?
11:54.
5 minutes राहिलेत मॅम.
मॅम 5 मिनिटं राहिलेत.
5 minutes.
हम्म. बर ठीक आहे. We will stop here. हा.
मॅम मॅम तुम्ही आता विचारलं ना की डिप्रेशन आणि ते सुसायडल टेंडन्सी असेल तर मेडिसिन कोणती, पण त्याच्यासाठी म्हणजे होमिओपॅथी मध्ये बऱ्याचशा मेडिसिन्स आहेत ना, आणि ते पण त्याच्या सायन्स अँड सिम्पटम्स वरून, म्हणजे त्याला आत्महत्या का करावीशी वाटते त्या कारणावरून पण वेगवेगळे आहेत ना. आता नेमकं कोणती मेडिसिन, म्हणजे आता तुम्ही प्रश्न विचारला, मग आता कोणती मेडिसिन सांगायची?
हो ना, मग मी तेच तर म्हंटल ना की वी आर स्टार्टिंग विथ दॅट मेडिसिन. Every physician wants to start his case with that medicine along with the counseling.
ओके मॅम, पल्सेटिला आणि सेपिया वापरतात ना जास्त, म्हणजे पल्सेटिला माइल्ड सॅडनेस आणि डिप्रेशन असेल तर वापरतात ना.
So that is the question. I will not give the answer to you because 30 participants are here. So let me guess your guesswork. तुम्ही काय करताय ते तर मला कळू द्या.
ओके
मैम
ओके
और
मॅम.
अब मेटालिकम भी है ना सुसाइडल टेंडेंसी के लिए.
Message all the things. I will give the reply.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
The answers come to me by the other students. एक ही medicine हमेशा we are starting along with the counseling. Remember it. We are not letting that patient depending upon that medicine. We are doing the consolation. We are doing the counseling to that patient. But that medicine we are giving single dose or 2 doses. After that, once the totality is stopped, we are giving the particular medicine. We are not dependent upon that
Nux
particular
vomica?
medicine. You give me the answer. Tomorrow we will discuss. You just think. Tomorrow we will discuss on that.
ओके मॅम.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, okay.
Deepak?
मॅम
मैम क्योंकि मोस्टली नक्स वॉमिट लेते हैं ना ताकि
सेपिया है, इग्नेशिया है, बहुत सारे
Means
मेडिसिन
you
है
write down
वैसे
your
देखी जाए तो.
answer with your explanation and submit it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
मॅम
Deepak?
ते फ्लो चार्टचं तुम्ही पाहिलं का? ते कसं करायचं काय जरा
पाहिलं.
सांगा ना.
ज्यांचं चुकीचं होतं त्यांना मी कळवलं, ज्यांचं ठीक होतं त्यांना ओके दिलाय, ज्यांना काहीच दिलं नाहीये म्हणजे त्यांचं सगळं बरोबर आहे. हळूहळू मी सगळ्यांचे सगळे
Okay, okay.
बघितलेले आहेत.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके मॅम. ओके
Deepak, do your work, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
दीपक इज बेटा.
Yes. All are my betas. Okay.
Okay.
We will meet tomorrow. Tomorrow, Wednesday, na? Yes, we will meet tomorrow.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
I'm ending the meeting here. You join your Materia Medica class.
Yes, ma'am.
येस मॅम.
Okay.